Hey guys, I'm back here with a quick video. This one's going related to the tablets. Well, to this one specifically, a tablet that did not turn on. Um, it was a battery. It was an issue with the battery. What I tried, well, what it did. This one, I would connect it to the computer, and then as well as the DC plug for the charger, and it would turn on, but it would only go as far as the Android logo, and then it would shut off again. And then when it did turn on all the way, it would not let me unlock, and it would still only stay on for about a minute, and then it would shut off. So at the end, I determined that I'm just gonna experiment with it. So what I did is I grabbed one of these batteries. This belonged to a drill. I lost the drill, so I only have the battery left over. So this is a 12-volt lithium battery. So what I did with it is I went and opened up the tablet. I'll put a link where you guys can see that video on how to open up these tablets. Okay, so I'm in a little hole right there to run the cable. Then there was two batteries right here, and these are the connection, the leads that were connected to it. I tested them out with a tester, and the batteries would not show any volt, like if they were not charged at all. Even when you plugged in the plug for the charger, using a meter, I tried to see if it was doing anything, and it would not show any sign of it working. But anyways, what I did is, usually you won't have to do what I did here, because you can use the cables that come with just cut off the battery, the cables as close to the battery as possible. So you could just so you don't have to solder like I did. I had to solder these ones in there onto the pins right here. The red one is positive. The cables are labeled as red and black. So red is positive, black is negative, and it also has a plus, I believe, a plus and a negative. I'm not sure. I don't think you can see it, but it should. But anyways, if you're gonna try this, try it at your own risk. I'm not gonna guarantee that it's gonna work for yours, or if it's gonna burn it or not. I tried this with two tablets already, and it seems to work. I only tried it with a 12 volt battery. I am not gonna risk it with an 18 volt just to get more battery life. This one actually gives me like about 5 hours of use with the tablet. So like I said, I just ran these cables here made a hole right here, drilled it to the back, and then it works. Like the tablet turns on and everything. I'll turn it on for you guys right now. It is a bit of an inconvenience having to carry that big bulky battery. Well, this one's not that bulky, but still. But if you just used it for the house, for games and things like that, then shouldn't be much of a problem. Just make sure you get your connections connected right. Positive, negative, negative. Okay. There it is. The only thing about it that is also bad as well is that it does not show you battery percentage. Like it would not say how much battery is left on it. So you would just have to go based on the amount of time that you used it, I guess. But like I said, I did this because it was not turning on. It was already like nothing I could do about it. So I decided to mess around with it, and I tried this, and it worked. You can buy batteries in online for the tablets, but I'm not 100% sure what websites, because there's some of them. I found a few, but they only sell them by bulk. You gotta buy like 10 or so together, and I think they come from they don't even come from China. I think they come from India or someplace like that. But yeah, guys, like I said, you could go ahead and try this. Try it at your own risk. This is a 12-volt battery that I'm using. It's a lithium 12-volt battery. As long as it's a 12-volt, go ahead and try it. I have not tried it with an 18-volt, and I do not plan to. But anyways, guys, thanks for watching, and subscribe for more how-to and tech videos.